Welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge, and today we're going to take another look at the markets, and we see the S&P 500 not really showing weakness at the moment, which is weird with everything that's going on in the US. We see that line, and well, what is it gonna do? Something like this maybe, or even this. I mean, I'm not sure. Like you would say. Something like this maybe, or maybe from here. Like I expect a breakdown, so something similar from the 90s, like the 1930s. Then we had a rising wedge as well, which broke down violently. Anyway, I think the next move of BTC will be correlated to what the S&P 500 will do. This is what we're seeing at Bitcoin on the daily, and yeah, you guys know, if you've seen my videos before, I am still expecting a breakdown to around this level. That's around 7.5k. But not a lot has happened. We will first make a bounce on this one, then go break through it again. Let's remove some lines and take a closer look. This is the daily. If this red one is engulfed, we will for sure go up again, or if we make a new high, then 9.8k is the level we want to break. And yeah, I think we will go down something like this, and go over there. That is what I'm expecting. I know a lot of people want to hear bullish stories. This is a resistance. 10.5k is a resistance, and after that, I mean, we have 12k over here, and then we have, of course, this one and this one, and that's it. And then it's really party time, and then it's up to 20k. But I think first we will go down a little bit. I mean, all the bulls are already killed in this event, beginning of March. Slaughtered every bull, and now it was a slow grind up, like one big short squeeze, especially this part in a bit. I expected this one. I called this one on Twitter. Follow me at Twitter, EdgeBitcoin or Bitcoin Edge. And negative funding was over here, and so he crept, like shot through it. And over here we had really big negative funding as well. Everybody was shorting over here, and then price starts to climb again because people buy back. Right now we have a little premium. We can see it on the futures as well. We have little premiums. We have on the September premiums, we have around, what is it, more than $100 premium, more than. So that's a normal premium. It's not really bullish, not really bearish, but it's, of course, yeah, a bit more bullish. Sorry. If there is negative funding, like if there's negative funding, a negative or a discount on the futures, then it's most likely always a good moment to buy some spot Bitcoin, because it always bounces a bit after. Then we have a look at, there's a really strong performer, that is Ethereum Bitcoin. We see this line, a very important line. Let me make it a bit thicker. This line, I mean, you could say we broke it, or we haven't really, it's depending on a little bit, but if we break this high, this level, that's the previous high of April, then I would say it's really moon time for Ethereum. Nothing really changed over here for Ethereum USD. Retest of this one possible, and next up to conquer is this level, $250. Next up, around $300. It's looking very strong. It's still looking very strong. It's weird to me because Ethereum looks very strong, and BTC does not. And well, if you're gonna take a long on Ethereum USD, you want to be long on Bitcoin as well, or the other way around. But now it's a bit dividing me. And I think it's weird that the S&P is pumping like this. because yeah, actually like a lot of shit is going down in the US. A lot of looting, everything, riots. Like you've probably seen it. So yeah, that is weird to me. Like I said, I'm bullish on Ethereum, bearish on Bitcoin, which is weird. I'm short Bitcoin actually from 9.6k. Yeah, not really premiums, or like a little bit premiums, not big ones. Funding is flat, kind of. And yeah, that is about it for today. I'm short, but I am not really confident. We can do a little bit, take a look at the small time frame. We see this at the moment. We get a lot of taps on this one. And if this one breaks again, we will go up again. But right now, it looks like head and shoulders. Yes. Do we see some trend lines over here as well? I'm not sure. Maybe something like this. Could be bullish, I'm not sure. Or maybe we can see something like this. See it following this line with a fake out over here. I mean, I'm bearish, sorry guys, but this does look a little bit strong and it makes a lot of taps on this line, but it really needs to go through it. So yeah, that is about it for today, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, write to me on Twitter. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, put the notification button on, ring the bell, and see you guys tomorrow.